Hello guys, welcome to the new tutorial on Udemy SketchUp 2025 Masterclass. In this tutorial, we will work on the how we can create 3D dimensional shapes or how we can extrude our faces to the new model. Very simple and easy. Let's get to work and jump into it. First of all, we have some options in here. As you can see, in the left side, we have push or pull option. We have follow me option, and some other drawing tools like the offset or scale. But right now we only have work with the push or pull option. So in this case, I'm going to click on the push or pull. The cursor will be changed to the push or pull like that, as you can see. So we have multiple faces in here and I want to extrude them with the different heights. So I'm going to start with the rectangle. If you move your cursor on the defined face as you can, it will be changing the color and visual. So I'm going to left click like that and move my cursor to the upside or even to the downside. It doesn't matter, but totally we can move it to the upside on the Z axis. So for example, I want to increase the height of this rectangle to the 2.2. So I can type it on the distance box and press enter. Very simple. Next item is this rectangle in here. This rectangle is the 1 meter to 1 meter rectangle. So I want to make a cube. For this reason, I'm gonna extrude it for 1 meter only. And now we have a cube like that. Next time I want to extrude it about 3 meter. So I'm gonna type 3 and press enter. I want to extrude this polygon to the 1.4 meter and press enter. Next time I want to repeat 1.4 for this one, but I don't want to type it. So in SketchUp, very simple. SketchUp will save your last action number and you only need to double click on your next object and it will be add 1.4 meter height for it. Very simple and easy. So no need to type it again. But if you want to define a new number for the new object, for example, this circle, I want to extrude it about 0.5. I need to type 0.5 and press enter. Now if I double click on this polygon, it will extrude 0.5 again. Or if you want to extrude one of the objects manually, for example, you can click on that, move your cursor. You don't want to type, you only need to set it with the 1 meter height. So this cube is 1 meter height. You only need to move your cursor to the end point like that. It will match it and left click. Very simple and easy. Now you generate 3D models. Very simple. 3D shapes and extrude works like that. If you want to work with extrude more professionally, you can do this work. You can select extrude from the toolbox and press Ctrl on your keyboard. What will happen in this case? For example, before I do this work, I'm going to click on the extrude and I want to increase the height of this polygon. So I'm going to left click and, for example, add another 1 meter like that. But I want to generate new edges and new faces on it. So how can I do this work? I can press Ctrl and now I can extrude. As you can see, the thing that's happened is that you have new edges, new vertices, and new faces. So when I want to select this and delete it, as you can see, we have another face in here, but the color is different. This face name is the inner face. This white faces are outer face, but totally it doesn't matter because if you want to change it to this one, you only need to select it, right click, and click on the reverse faces. As you can see, it will be fixed for you. Very simple. In the future tutorials, I will tell you when you come to the styles option in here and go to the edit mode, you can change the back color. Right now the back color is something like gray. So the inner face is back color in SketchUp. Very simple. So don't mess your mind with these type of topics. Totally the functionality of them are important. I'm going to click on the push or pull again in here and press Ctrl on my keyboard. Now I'm going to left click and add another 1 meter cube on my cube like that. Very simple and easy. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If this tutorial is useful for you, please follow all the practices and instructions. Thanks for your time, thanks for your watching, and goodbye.